guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Powerpuff Curls, and today we are going to be doing a look, honey. Yes. So today we're doing a two-toned color, black and white, on my hair, and it is going to be inspired by Cruella de Vil. Any results, any reactions you see today are real rap raw. I have not done a two-tone look before, nor have I used this color before. So we are going to see how it's gonna go. Let's get it! So today I'm gonna be using hair paint wax. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you can't, it's okay. I will put all of the products and tools that I use for my hair in the description below, so make sure to look at that. I'll be using one white hair paint wax and one black hair paint wax. A spray bottle if needed to keep your hair saturated. A towel, and 4 hair clips. As always, I'm going to start off with the front of my hair so that I can show you guys better. I split one of my twists into 2 sections, a nice little even section, which I don't get it even, but good enough. So next I'm going to take and clip this part of my hair up so that I can get started with applying the gel to the lower half. Okay, I'm going to start off with doing black on your left and white on the right. You're going to be using way more than what I started with, so make sure you start with a good amount. It is very pigmented. As you can see, I was loving the color. It really covered the darker parts of my hair. I'm just going to rake it through. Actually, I would recommend maybe not raking it through as much as I did, because you have to go back over it and apply more hair color, and I probably used more than what I needed to. Did I mention how great this hair paint smells? Every wax I've used has had like a different scent, and it smells so good. I would say for this part, just to make sure that when you're putting the wax on, you're really just taking globs and just coating your hair, not really raking it through as much as I was. So now I'm just going to go back over my hair, over the spots that I've already done, and just make sure everything is nice and saturated before I move on to the next section. I don't know what I was dancing to, but I was clearly feeling it, y'all. So this is what the left side looks like. My left, your right. I'm liking it. It looks white. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to apply the charcoal hair paint wax to this side of my hair. You guys might think that my hair is super dark, so it's not going to make a difference. So my hair is actually pretty light in person, so it makes a complete difference when you see it. Okay, so I'm basically done. I'm just going over whatever I missed. As you can see, it is so messy, guys. It's all over my face, all over my nails, on my hands, but the best thing about this is that it does wash off. So this is what the towel is needed for. Normally, when I use this, I let it dry naturally. So my hair is a little wet. This is just a fun way for us naturals to be able to get this color that we like. it just makes my curls pop, y'all. Like, and my hair will stay like this. So if your hair only stays curly when it's wet, if you use this hair paint wax, it will really like lock your curls like this. I've done solid color and it kept my curls locked in this wet state, this wet look state. So wet look, I don't know why I did that for state, but this is the results, guys. Yes, this is my Cruella de Vil look. I think it came out really cute. Let me know in the comments below if you thought it came out cute too. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at naughtybynature_. And then like this video, comment, let me know what other looks you'd like for me to do. Let me know if you've tried hair paint wax before. Let me know if you're gonna try it. If you want me to try another color. Just any videos you guys want me to do, just put in the comments below. Give your girl a ring so you can get that notification when I post another video. And thank you as always for watching.